So with boxcutter, drawing a shape, and if you shift to live, you'll see that the origin has always been the default corner that you started off with the draw. However, next to the shape, there's now options to change the origin that's made when you draw a shape. So now you can see here that the origin is set to face center, which will allow us to scale from the face center. We can set it to bounding box center, which will allow us to scale from the bounding box center. We'll bring back that cutter, and you can see that here. And the last option will actually use the origin of the actual object itself. So as you scale it in, you can see that I'm actually scaling it at the object. Origin options can be located here in the top bar where you can set it up. My favorite is actually face center. However, you can also change it here inside of the DPie. And while we're at it, in the DPie, you can also change if you're using corner or center draw. So for example, if you're wanting to just use center draw, you can do that just like that. And then go here and actually change this to be corner draw again, if that's something that you're more familiar with.